Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Excel on your Mac. Let's go ahead and take a look at how this works. So first of all, go to the Mac App Store and let's get Microsoft Excel. Let's open it up and we're going to install the app. And let's go ahead and get it and just click that install button. And we'll now load it on our Mac. You can see there, I'm going to sign into my account real quick and put in my password for my Mac. Sorry, not for my Mac account, but for my Apple account itself. And now, yes, I want to use Touch ID in the future on this particular Mac. And we'll see we're now installing the application. Now, an important thing to remember is that you might have a different password on your Mac itself, on your MacBook itself versus your Apple account. So you need to use your Apple account, not the password that's on your Mac. Let's go ahead and let that install. So now the next step, let's go ahead and open Excel on our Mac. And after we have opened it, we're going to have to sign in to a Microsoft 365 account. If you don't have one, you'll be prompted to create one. And if you already have your account set up, you can go ahead and sign into it, as I'm going to do right now. And once signed in, I'll be able to use Excel just like I would use it on my PC. And here we are. I'm all set to start using Excel on my Mac. And you can see here, let's go ahead and create a new blank workbook. And we're off and running with Excel on my Mac. So that's how you can install Excel on a Mac. And the important thing to remember is you need to sign in to your Apple account to install it, and then you need to sign in to your Microsoft account to actually use it. As always, for more things like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or visit practicaledtech.com.